I think video testimonials are important for the automotive industry because it gives more credibility to our industry if we actually have real customers telling their real opinions about a business. Video testimonials are more powerful than written because people get to see the actual person who is giving the testimonial. They can put a face with the person, so it's more believable than something that's just in print. Magnfi makes capturing the video testimonials super easy. I can just send an email to a customer and they can open up a link on their phone and actually read through the directions. It's very easy. It takes a person less than 60 seconds to make the video. The M-Link from Magnfi is a really good, easy way if a customer doesn't have a smartphone or anything and they want to give a video testimonial while they're here at the shop. I can actually just grab my tablet and pull up the M-Link and put in the customer's information, and they can record the video right here using my tablet, and it still only takes them less than 60 seconds. I only get charged for the ones that I actually approve, and then I can save them, download them onto my computer. I can also upload them to my YouTube channel, and I can upload them to Facebook. And the production of it is very high quality, professional. For the cost, it's really a great value.